Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So today we are going to bake almond biscottis. These are almond biscuits with the goodness of almond and wheat flour, and they are very healthy for the growing kids as well as the adults. So let's start with the ingredients. Wheat flour. This is all wheat flour. Half cup of sugar, I have crushed it. And now I have taken half cup of almonds, out of which half of the almonds I will roast them and rest of the half I'll crush it in the mixer to make the almond flour. You can take half cup of almond flour also. I have taken 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can substitute it with butter also, but I prefer taking vegetable oil for this recipe. Then I have taken 3 eggs, baking powder, vanilla essence and almond essence I have taken. I have taken dalchini also, which we call cinnamon. A pinch of cinnamon we will use it. So let's start with the recipe. So first of all, we'll mix all our dry ingredients. One spoon of baking powder, a pinch more of it, my sugar, half a cup of sugar. I'll mix them nicely. You can sieve them through the sieve also. As I told you, I have taken half a cup of almonds. I have already roasted half of them, and half of them I have made almond flour. So almost 1/4 cup of almond flour is there and 1/4 cup of toasted almonds are there. So we are going to mix all of them together nicely. I am adding a pinch of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, to my flour, my dry ingredients, and mix them well. Now every ingredient is nicely mixed. Now I will start mixing my wet ingredients, starting with eggs. So we have already blend our eggs, and now we are mixing all our wet ingredients. Vanilla essence, now we will blend all our dry ingredients to it. One spoon at a time, or maximum of 2 spoons. Our mixture is ready. So now we are going to pour it in the mold. We are going to take a rectangle mold for this. Meanwhile, I have switched on my oven at 180 degree. And now we are going to pour it in it. So this should be the consistency for your biscotti, a little flowy. So it will take around 25 minutes to bake, and then we will take it out, cut it into pieces, desired size we need for the biscotti, and then we will bake it again at 150 degree. We will tap our batter, and as we kept this roasted nuts, these roasted almonds, we'll pour it on it. All of them, and lightly we will dig in. We'll tap it again and then keep it in our oven. I am keeping my biscottis to bake at 180 degree on the center line for around 20 to 25 minutes. Our biscotti is almost done. We will bake it twice, so we need to take it out. We need to cool it on a wire rack for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will cut it and keep it back in the OTG. As you know, biscotti itself means twice baking. So for 2 to 3 minutes, we will keep it out, cut it and bake it again. We will cut it around 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, a little thick, so that we can bake it again. Our biscotti is nicely cut. We keep them back in the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes. To make them nice and crisp. So now we are baking it for around 15-20 minutes. See, our biscottis are ready, crisp and crunchy. So if you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and keep watching. Keep commenting on the comment box, and I am coming up with many more biscottis for you. Thank you.